If you wanna become rich, you can do pretty much two things. Start business or start investing. For both of these, you need to have knowledge how to do it. And there is no better way to learn than from most successful people. Warren Buffett is probably the most successful one in investing. So today I will give you Warren Buffett's 15 best quotes of all time. Number 1. Invest in companies you believe in. It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. Basically, buying cheap doesn't mean everything. If you buy cheap, some average company, it would be much better to buy great company for fair price. Number 2. Price and value aren't always the same. Don't pay too much. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. It means, yeah, if you find your great company, it's awesome, but you always need to check the price. It can be overvalued and it's not good. Number 3. Be skeptical if something looks too good to be true. A simple rule dictates my buying. Be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. Basically, you should do opposite what market does. If the market is green months and months, it's not so good idea to buy more and more and more. On the other hand, if markets are red and everybody is scared, is the great opportunity to buy and buy. Number 4. Don't invest in something you don't understand. The important thing is to know what you know and know what you don't know. This is probably the most important one. You have to invest in something you understand. You cannot invest in company you don't understand what they are doing, how they make money, what is their product. You cannot do it even if you see that someone bought them or if you see that they are cheap. This is not a good idea. You need to understand the business. Only with your understanding you can understand the value, you can understand the price, you can understand how can the business go up in the time. Number 5. Easy peasy. Don't buy a stock unless you think it's undervalued. Just buy something for less than it's worth. Obviously, when you find your great company at fair price, it's much better than an average company for a cheap price. But when you find great company, even for cheap price, this is the best combination ever. Number 6. Price dips are a good chance to increase your positions. Whether we're talking about socks or stocks, I like buying quality merchandise when it's marked down. If you own some company, you understand the business, you made your research and you believe in that company in the future, in the long term, and the price goes down because markets goes down because of something, it goes down, 20%. You are not scared. This is what you are waiting for because you can buy this company, what you believe in, and nothing important change with their business. This is the chance. This is the chance for you. You can buy it for cheap price. So don't be scared from red markets. This is the opportunity, guys. Number 7. The future is never clear. Uncertainty actually is the friend of the buyer of long-term values. I think I understand this right, this one. I think he meant that if people are scared from future, what happens, it makes the stock market volatile, right? So it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. And it is making that opportunities for us, for long-term investors, because we understand the values of the companies and we can buy that companies from cheap prices because of that. I think he meant it like this. Also, he could meant it that long-term investing is much better than short-term because you don't know what's going to happen in 1 hour. It's going to go up or down. You don't know in 1 hour. But in many years, you can quite see a little bit how can it go. Number 8. Ignore short-term movement in stock prices. Wall Street makes its money on activity. You make your money on inactivity. This is the best thing ever. He basically says, and I agree with this, that you can earn much more money if you don't do so much. This is awesome. Just buy long-term, sit down and wait when it compounds and you get rich. Number 9. Read and think a lot. Buffett spends the majority of his day, 80%, reading and thinking. The best way to think about investments is to be in a room with no one else and to just think. If that doesn't work, nothing else is going to work. Information is the key. How could we know? How could I know that quotes from Warren Buffett if I wouldn't read, if I wouldn't search the knowledge, if I wouldn't look at the internet, read books and so on? How could I know that and how could I give it to you right now? And how could you know that if you wouldn't watch this video? Search knowledge, read, watch videos and so on. Number 10. Buffett has long said it doesn't take a high IQ to be successful in business. Knowledge is more valuable. What we do is not beyond anyone else's competence. I feel the same way about managing that I do about investing. It's just not necessary to do extraordinary things to get extraordinary results. This is pretty awesome because everybody can start invest. It's only about the time what people need to put in the getting that knowledge. It's only about that. If people know about that knowledge, everybody would invest right away because it's the best way what you can do with your money, right? But you need to get the knowledge. You need to put your time in that a little bit to get the knowledge. Number 11. Successful investing takes time, discipline and patience. No matter how great the talent or effort, some things just take time. You can't produce a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. This is awesome. Some things just take time. You can produce a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. Everybody would say it's common sense, it's obvious. But when people try to get rich or get money, they think otherwise. They think they can get it now. I think I can get rich tomorrow. No, it doesn't work like that. You need to work, you need to have discipline and patience. Nothing is for free here. Number 12. Think about long term. If you aren't willing to own a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. Put together a portfolio of companies whose aggregate earnings march upward over the years. And so also will the portfolio's market value. Again, talking about the long-term investing, what I believe as well, it's just, I think, is the best way to invest in long-term investing. There is nothing better. Number 13. Focus. The difference between successful people and really successful people is that the really successful people say no to almost everything. Where you want to succeed in something, you need to focus. You cannot do this. You just need to focus on your goal and get there. Number 14. Be able to evaluate companies within your circle of competence. What an investor needs is the ability to correctly evaluate selected businesses. Note that word selected. You don't have to be an expert on every company or even many. You only have to be able to evaluate companies within your circle of competence. The size of that circle is not very important. Knowing its boundaries, however, it's vital. Again, circle of competence. It's like I told you about my Facebook investment last time. I totally understand the Facebook. It's in my circle of competence. I understand the business. I understand the product. I understand what they are doing. That's why it's in my circle of competence and I can invest there. You know much more about businesses like this. You have much more information. That's why it's important because you are less likely to make wrong decisions there. Number 15. Only few things done right can make you rich. You only have to do very few things right in your life, so long as you don't do too many things wrong. Yeah, that's right. It's for businesses, it's for investments as well. If you make 10 businesses and 9 of them fail and 1 goes like crazy, you won. That's it. You just need that 1. For the man's lifetime, it's enough if you hit 1 home run with 1 business or a great investment. So this is it, my friends. I hope you found value in this video. I would say yes, because for me, knowledge and dedication to work on your goals, this is the most important thing what you need to have. And I am trying to give you some knowledge here, but the dedication to work on your goals, it's always up to you. So thank you so much for watching today. Subscribe this channel if you like this video. You can even like the video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.